welcome back to Vlogmas. Today we're gonna be getting in the Christmas spirit and we're gonna be decorating my room. I already have a good amount of Christmas decorations, but I did go to the store earlier just to see if there was anything that I wanted to get to add to what I already have for Christmas decorations. So I'm not finding anything I'm super crazy about, but I learned from last year that I think most of the Christmas decor is like starting to phase out. The girlies start shopping for Christmas stuff in like October. So I learned that last year when I was on the hunt for the gingerbread pillows. I think we're just gonna reuse the decorations that I had from last year. And honestly, like, they're really cute, so I don't mind using them again. If you followed me on TikTok or if you saw my Vlogmas on TikTok from last year, then a lot of this stuff is gonna look familiar. Even this little cute set. It's not the best material, but it's definitely super soft and super cozy, so I love wearing this around Christmas time. I wore it so much last year when I got it. A lot of the stuff that I got from last year is also from Marshall's, and it was kind of like gingerbread themed. I'm gonna do like a little haul and show you what I have. I'll be right back. Okay, so we have like the gingerbread pillows. I'm trying to find these gingerbread pillows last year like crazy, and I could not find them for the life of me, but Ryan actually ended up finding all of these. I was literally dragging this man to every single Marshall that existed in Connecticut just to find these pillows, but he ended up finding them all on his own. See, I went a little crazy with the whole gingerbread theme, but you gotta trust the process. It's gonna look really cute once we got a wreath. A snow globe, how cute. So I'm gonna set up a bunch of stuff here. I'm gonna put the wreath up there, and then I don't know, we'll figure it out, but yeah, this is how it's looking right now. We watch and we don't judge, okay? I know my room is a hot mess right now. Yeah, I feel like this is definitely way better for you guys. I'm usually not a fan of overhead lighting, but this will do. So this is gonna go on the wreath. This is just literally ribbon from Michael's that I just tied together. Alexa, play Christmas music. Do you guys see the vision now? Okay, so this is how things look now. This is definitely one of the things that is gonna make me feel better. Just coming into my room every day and like seeing that. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. You like my room?
I love it.
Merry
Love
Christmas.
You. Merry Christmas.
Almost.
Almost.